Santos coastal beach in Brazil is one of the great destinations for tourists who want to enjoy the harmonious combination of natural beauty and the excitement of the coastal city. With long white sand, clear blue sea and fresh air, this beach attracts thousands of tourists every year. This beach is located near the city of Santos, one of the largest and most developed cities in the state of São Paulo, about 70 kilometers southeast of the city of São Paulo, the economic center of Brazil. This makes Santos Coastal a convenient destination for visitors from both the major city and surrounding areas. Santos Coastal is not only a place to relax on the beach, but also offers a variety of fun and recreational activities. Visitors can participate in activities such as surfing, windsurfing, scuba diving, or even participate in sand sports games such as beach volleyball. This creates an interesting and vibrant space for both families and groups of friends. With its flawless natural beauty and rich entertainment space, Santos Coastal Beach is definitely a destination not to be missed when you arrive in Brazil. If you find the video we share good and meaningful, leave your opinion below in the comments section so I can know your opinions and wishes about what you want to see in the next videos. The climatic environment of the Santos coastal in Brazil offers a richness and diversity typical of coastal South America. With a tropical monsoon climate, this beach is often blessed with bright sunshine and gentle breezes from the sea. Summers are warm and long, while winters are cool but still quite warm, creating ideal conditions for visitors to participate in outdoor activities. People in Santos Coastal are often hospitable and gentle, clearly reflected in their local culture and lifestyle. A sense of sincerity and sharing is easily felt, as visitors are warmly welcomed and encouraged to participate in local life. Santos Coastal also faces environmental challenges, such as climate change and environmental pollution. The increase in plastic waste and air pollution is a growing problem. However, local communities and environmental organizations are working together to solve these problems through conservation and recycling strategies. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone, and see you in the next videos.